Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a cute elf look for Christmas. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the City Color Be Bold Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown using a Benefit brow brush. I'm following the natural shape of the brow and keeping them thin, then I'm cleaning up the lower edge with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5 and applying this all over my lid in preparation for eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe James Charles palette and first picking up the dark matte green shade called Daddy. I'm very precisely applying this using a Sigma E05 brush in order to map out the shape I plan on cutting out in the crease. I'm blending that by lightly dragging a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush back and forth across it, and then I'm taking the light green shade called Social Blade and sweeping this along the upper edge of the dark green using the Morphe M562 brush. Now that we're done blending, I'm cutting out the crease using the Plouise base and JH42 brush. After one layer of the base, I'm taking a Q-tip and some makeup remover and cleaning off the lid so that I have a clean slate to work with. When doing this, you'll notice that your lines will come out so much sharper and the base will be more true to color rather than mixing with the eyeshadow. I'm reapplying the Plouise base and setting it in place with the white shade from the James Charles palette called Flashback. Now I'm drawing on some Peppermint eyeliner. First, I'm taking the NYX Epic Wear liquid liner in white and drawing a wing. Then I'm using a Plouise Acid Rain brush and very precisely adding red lines onto that with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Color in the shade Individualist. Moving on to the face, I'm smoothing out my pores by pressing in the City Color Classic Primer. Then I'm adding the NYX Marshmellow Primer all over the face. For foundation, I'm using the City Color Be Nude Foundation in the shade Nude 101, which I'm applying with a damp e.l.f. sponge. For concealer, I'm applying the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C1. Once that's blended, I'm setting underneath my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Fair. Next, I'm contouring with the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300. I'm applying this to the hollows of my cheeks and along the edge of my jawline and hairline. I'm also trying to make my nose look skinny and pointy by applying it along the sides of the bridge of my nose and under the tip of my nose as well. For highlighter, I'm using the City Color Sunlit highlighter in the shade Nile. A little goes a long way with this because it's a loose highlighter, but I'm definitely trying to glow because I feel like an e.l.f. would be super shiny. For blush, I'm using the Profusion blush palette in the shade Juicy. I'm generously applying this to the apples of my cheeks and sweeping it across the center of my face and nose as well. To set everything in place for a skin-like finish, I'm spritzing on the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Setting Spray. Now I'm adding some faux freckles using the Brow Tint Pen by NYX Cosmetics. I'm just sporadically placing these around the center of the face, concentrating them on the nose and cheeks. To make those look more realistic, I'm pressing my used beauty sponge on top until they look like they're coming from beneath the foundation. To finish off the eyes, I'm adding eyeshadow to the bottom lash line. First, I'm applying the dark green closest to the waterline, then I'm sweeping on that light green shade. I'm curling the lashes, applying the City Color Be Batty mascara, and popping on the Salon Perfect lashes in the style 663. To blend those in with my natural ones, I'm tightlining with the Profusion waterproof eyeliner pencil, and to make my eyes appear larger, I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to my waterline. After that, I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes and setting my brows in place with the City Color Brow Gel. Finally, for lips, I'm creating a gradient lip look by first applying the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Color in Individualist to the center of my lips, using my finger to remove any product around the edge of the lips, and swiping on some of the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Ice. And that completes this Christmas elf look. Let me know what your favorite Christmas movie is in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!